Very joined. Hello.
No, sir. 30 people have to come.
The TV.
Yes, only.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Tell Papa.
Sir, can you please show yesterday's last page, sir?
Yesterday's last page.
Yes, sir. We did if the inner sphere was grounded, so that page.
1 minute. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Inner one is grounded. You are asking that, na?
Yes, sir.
This one, you are asking. So inner
Yes,
one is
sir.
grounded means potential of inner one is 0. How many potentials are what do you call available at that one inner one? 2 potentials, na? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Because if the inner one is not having any charge, then only outer one will produce potential which is not at all will become 0. Then outer one will definitely will produce. So outer one on the surface up to center at any point is same. Then inner surface, this one is contributing. This also has to contribute. Then only sum will become how much? 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Done everybody this one?
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Everybody done this one?
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone, this one?
Understood, sir.
What is the syllabus you have for this week? Potential due to?
Certain electrostatic potential energy.
No, not like that.
So we have even dipole, sir.
Dipole also there.
EK potential.
Yes, sir.
EQ point. We'll finish. Then potential due to system of spheres. What do you call? Let me check it out. One minute.
Uniform charge distribution is also there.
Uniform charge distribution they mentioned.
Yes, sir. Potential due to bodies having uniform charge distribution.
1 minute now. You have exam on this Sunday, na? 11th one and year next year test, na?
Yes, sir. 11th and 14th.
Potential E and V relation, potential to a dipole, equivalent potential to uniform distribution, electrostatic potential and related. Okay. Then we'll finish this solid non-conducting and then we'll go to this. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll finish. Have to finish dipole and problem. That's it, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Here we're taking a solid non-conducting sphere. So non-conducting means where the charge will reside, ra? Throughout, na? Throughout
Yes.
everywhere it will reside, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, outside sphere, the general outside, surface, inside, 3 points. So outside and surface almost same, no change. So outside, what is field? KQ by R square only, na?
Yes, sir.
Then E is minus dV by dr. We got it. Simply KQ by R only, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got
sir.
Then in this case, what is rho ra? Q by
Q by 4 by
4
3 pi
by
r
3
cube.
by r cube.
Pi r cube.
So that means rho will become 3q by 4 by capital R cube.
Yes, sir.
We substitute the value of q there. In place of q, we substitute this one. Got it?
Yes.
got it.
Yes,
So
sir.
outside point is very simple, ra. On the surface also same, ra. Hello. On the surface,
sir.
if you want, we can write like this also. What is q? 3q by 4 pi r cube, na?
Yes, sir.
4 pi r cube by this one. Hello.
Yes.
Then it becomes how much? 4 pi 4 pi will cancel here. Rho into r square
R
by
square by 3
R
epsilon.
cancelled.
3 epsilon.
Yes.
naught, na?
Epsilon naught. Yes, sir.
Copy
Yes.
this. Outside point is very simple. Surface also same thing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
We learned
Yes.
E is minus dv by dr. E we know kq by small r square. Derivative integrated. That's it. Got it? Hello.
Got it, sir.
Done, everybody? Hello.
1 minute.
Got it, everybody?
Got it, sir.
Right. Now, this is important. It is what you call inside or outside of the point is.
Inside.
Inside.
But outside field is different, inside field is different because outside is kq by r square. Inside is kq by r cube into small r. This is the field, na? Where r is always distance from measured from where only? Center.
Center.
That means infinity to here, one work done because here field is even. Here field is how much? E2. Then we can say that we can conclude that like what it is. Okay, when you are talking about this one, what do you call here to here, again from here to here we have to do. Center is O, the point is P distance is this is the center. Okay, here the field is E1, here the field is E2. Then dv is equal to dv1 plus dv. Here to here total work done is what do you call here to here plus here to here, na?
Yes, sir.
That is called integral dv equal to minus of e1 into dr integration minus e2 into dr only, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then here
Yes.
infinity to surface. What do you call? Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then second one is from small r to how much? 0. That we have to observe here. Everybody observe here, Nana. So outside field is this one, na? This is the outside field, na?
Yes,
And
sir.
this is inside field, na? Fields are same or different?
Different.
Then fields are different. Then what we have to do? We have to calculate infinity to surface, one potential difference. Again, what do you call infinity to surface, one potential, surface to inside another one. Two times we have to do work. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So here infinity to r, here r to small r. Got it? Initial distance is infinity, final distance is r. That's why limits are infinity to r. Here initial distance is r, final distance is here to here. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copy this part, Nana. We'll go do integration and all. Everybody. Done, Nana.
1 minute.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Nothing to worry about all this. Final, after doing, we know the process. That's it. Final and the result we need to remember. Got it? Done, Nana? If you are done,
Yes,
let
sir.
me know.
So here minus will come now, sir.
Hello. Are E is minus dv by dr kadra?
Yes, sir.
Here, of course, inside minus will be there. Okay.
Yes.
Here plus inside minus, of course. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then copy this process, all integration process standard. Copy Nana this one, everybody. Visual clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And copy this, everybody. Outside is okay. Only outside is earlier we have done. Infinity to surface we have done. This part is okay. This part is okay. This part only we have to copy. Careful. Copying Nana. If you are done, let me know. Hello, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copy up to this much. Done, everybody?
Done, sir.
So inside returning point is, what is the formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by 2 capital R cube whole into 3 capital R square minus small r. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This formula, this is valid only for which one? Volume distribution of charge. That is called uniformly volume distributed or solid non-conducting. Okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then if you see this graph is for which one? Hollow sphere, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
For solid non-conducting, potential versus distance. So how it will be means, this is capital R. So it will decrease and further. This is called V naught. This is called V at surface. So this is for which one? Solid non-conducting sphere. Got it? This is already we have done, na? Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So which is more? Center is more or surface is more for this one? Center is more.
Center.
Got it? Hello.
Yes.
Copy it, Nana. Done, everybody? Hello.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Now we'll write in general formula. So V outside is KQ by R, na? Whether it is for R greater than or equal to capital R. Either hollow sphere or spherical, what do you call? Shell or solid non-conducting sphere. All people, this is valid, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
R where R is greater than, I mean including surface V. You don't write V out, just okay, for all these values. Then V inside equal to KQ by capital R for which one? Spherical shell, solid conducting sphere or hollow sphere. Got it? V inside. Hello. V inside will be KQ by 2 capital R cube into 3 capital R minus small. This is for which one? Solid.
Non-conducting.
Non-conducting.
So outside is very simple. Anybody okay? Outside up to surface. Inside also equal to surface value for which one? Spherical shell and all. This is only the exclusive for which person?
Spherical non-conducting.
Non-conducting.
Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
These three formulas you have to remember. Outside is just like a point charge type KQ by small r. Inside or on the surface KQ by capital R if it is a spherical shell or solid conducting sphere. Inside will be different. This formula is different in case of a solid non-conducting sphere. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done, everybody? Hello. Next, electric potential due to dipole. Dipole means what do you call? We can take it both plus and minus charges separated by distance 2a only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let us take a dipole. This is the center O. Plus Q charge is there, minus Q charge. This separation is A. This separation is A. The point, where the point is lying on the axis. Yeah, the point is such that always a distance is mentioned from center on. So on which line?
Axial.
Then here how many charges are there? Two charges. Now one is plus. Which one?
Minus.
Minus. These are like point charges only, na?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
what is the potential due to plus charge? K into plus Q by, can I say R minus A?
Yes, sir.
Because what is the
Yes, sir.
distance here?
R minus
R minus
What about this distance?
R plus
R plus A.
plus A.
Then V due to negative charge is minus KQ by R plus A. Na?
Yes, sir.
Then total potentially sum of these two only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then V on the axial line equal to V due to plus plus V due to minus. Then I will common KQ 1 by R minus A minus, then R plus A minus R plus A by R square minus A square whole into KQ, that equal to V equal to KQ by, this is how much, Ra?
2A.
2A by R square minus A square. Then K into, can I write Q into 2A as P, dipole moment?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As A is very much less than other, I am taking a short dipole, then it will become K into P by R square only. Na?
Yes, sir.
This is for which dipole?
Short dipole.
Or the point is very long compared to distance separation between them. Got it?
Yes.
Copy this page. Copy this page now. Positive charges will give rise to positive potential. Negative charges will give rise to which potential? Negative.
Negative potential.
Done, Anna, this page. Everybody.
Done.
Done, everybody, Nana.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Copy this then. Done, Ra. Hello. Done, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now we are taking on which line?
Equatorial.
So these are the two charges. One is plus Q, another is minus Q. Center is there. O. Then this is the point T. Then if you observe this and this distance must be same, na?
Yes, sir.
This is R. This is A. This is A. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And this is D, this is also D. Then total potential is V due to plus charge plus V due to which charge?
Minus.
Negative.
Right. Then that is called K into Q by D plus minus K. 0 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So potential due to dipole on equator at any point, not only this point, you take this point, this and this distance, this and this. Every point on the equatorial line will be at what you call same distance from these two. Then all points on the equatorial line will produce how much potential?
0 potential.
0
Right,
potential.
Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the point is now lying on equatorial line. So equatorial line plus charge will give plus Q by D, minus charge will give as minus Q by D. Sum will be 0. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done, Anna, everyone? Hello.
1 minute.
Not done?
1 second. Done, sir.
Now, observe carefully. This is very, very important. And this is the dipole. Plus Q charge here, minus Q charge. Now, the point is not lying, what do you call, on the axial and on equator. The point is here, some point here, which is at a distance r, making an angle theta with axis. Axis direction is always minus to plus na dipole moment direction.
Yes.
Yes.
Then you can say that this is nothing but dipole. This is the dipole. This is the dipole, na? How much? P bar, na? Then what I am doing is I am resolving this dipole into components. What are the components? One dipole is this is result. Theta touching side cos component, na?
Yes, sir. Because.
So this like I'm imagining as P cos theta. Another dipole is there. This is another component. How much?
P sin theta. Sin theta.
Then, if you observe carefully, P cos theta means some plus charge here, minus. That's why this is a small dipole having minus charge here, plus charge here, plus 2. Then this point line, which line? Axial line only, na?
Equator.
Hey,
Axial, yes.
P cos theta dipole, axial line only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this is the axial line for which dipole?
P sin theta.
But the point is lying on which line of this dipole? Equatorial line, na?
Yes, sir.
Then V at point A is equal to V axial due to which dipole?
P cos theta.
V equatorial due to which dipole?
P sin theta.
This will be 0 obviously. Because equatorial line is 0, na?
Yes, sir.
What is the axial line formula? K into P. Here P means P cos theta by R square only, na? See, axial line what we got?
Yes, sir.
Here dipole moment is P, but here what is the dipole moment of this one?
P cos theta.
Right. Therefore, potential is hello. K into,
Yes.
or we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by R square. Then the point can be at any. We will cross check whether this is true or not. If the point exactly, this is original dipole. If the point lies exactly on equatorial line, then what is this angle will become?
Theta is 90 degrees.
90.
This point will become here on the equatorial for the dipole must be how much? 0. Cos 90 is 0 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If the point lies, what do you call? We'll take so with some dotted lines. What do you call? This is which line? Axial line. Equatorial line. This is which line?
Axial.
Now, if this point is lying here, then on axial line, then theta will become how much?
0.
0 degree.
Cos
Zero.
0 will be 1.
1.
Then kp by r square. That is what we derived already, na? This one. On the axial line at a
Yes,
point,
sir.
P potential is kp by r square only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this expression is valid or not?
Valid.
Got it?
So once can you say that first equation, sir? How did you get it?
This one.
Yes, sir.
See, ignore this dipole. This p bar is resolved into p cos theta and p sin theta. Okay. Then this point is lying on axial line of p cos theta dipole only, na?
Yes, sir.
And this point is lying on the equatorial line of this dipole only, na? P sin theta dipole. Then here axial potential due to p cos theta dipole, equatorial potential due to two potentials are what you call contributing there. However, an equatorial potential due to p sin theta, equatorial and potential is any day for any dipole is 0 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For axial and direct to another kp by what you call r square only, na? Here what is p? P r p cos theta.
Because got it, sir.
Got it?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Papa tell me.
sir, can't we take P cos theta as equatorial and P sin theta as
See here,
axial, sir?
what is this vector p bar? Minus 2 plus original dipole. This is the point making an angle theta with the theta touching side which component?
Cos component.
And then p cos theta only the point lies exactly on the axial line of p cos theta and perpendicular to it p sin theta. Then got it? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
How,
sir.
how if you want p cos theta equatorial, then this is the p cos, then this will be equatorial line for p cos theta dipole. Hello.
Yes.
It cannot be the point. Got it? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Or
Yes,
sir.
sometimes they will give in vector form also the same thing as v equal to k into p bar dot r bar by r cube also they will ask. Check it out. P bar dot r bar means p cos theta in p into r into cos theta by r cube means p cos theta by r square only.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Got it, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, Anna? Hello.
Done, sir.
That's it. We done with the syllabus now? Hello.
You say the previous page.
This one.
No, sir.
This one.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Third page.
Only the.
Yes, 1 minute.
Done, everybody?
Done, sir.
Hello, all of you.
Yes, sir.
All we done. Electric potential due to ring, Nana. Last talk. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. A ring, whether it is uniformly charged or non-uniform. First copy, Nana. Just a minute. Copy this. I'll explain. Copy Nana. Hello.
Copying, sir.
Now observe this one first. Here, Q. Whether you distribute the charge uniformly, non-uniformly, we are least bothered because potentially a scalar. Suppose if it distributed uniformly, then capital Q has like a small q, small. So many small charges, so many small charges will give rise to total charge Q. Then potential at center due to first charge, second charge. Then so many n number of charges are there. Now you can imagine the ring like that, n point charges. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then due to first charge, Q1 by R, Q2 by R, Q3 by R, Q4, Q5, Q6, so on. Then total potential sum of all these potentials only, no? Hello,
Yes. Yes, sir.
got it?
Yes, sir.
Sum of all small potentials. Sum of all charges is Q only, na? So we are least bothered whether it is the charge is distributed uniformly or non-uniformly. It doesn't matter. Right reason is more. Right reason like a 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Here 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Doesn't matter. 10 by R, 10 by R, 10 by R, 10 by R, 10 by R. 5 by R, 5 by R, 5. Then again adding will get the same thing, na? Sum of all the charges. Got it? Q1 by R plus Q2 by R plus so on. K by R common, then Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 the same or equal to capital Q only, na?
Yes, sir.
So whether it is uniformly distributed, non-uniformly, will the potential at center will change or will not change? Will not
Will
change.
not change.
Will not change.
It's simply equal to what is the total charge by R only, na? KQ by R only, na?
Yes, sir.
Understood everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uniformly, not even uniform, even non-uniformly also same answer, na? For ring.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So whether the ring is uniformly charged or non-uniformly charged doesn't matter for us. Always the potential at center is simply 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into total charge by radius. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
We have done what we call field at what we call center one. Now at a distance what we call from the center on the axis. Then if you observe again same story, then this is x, this is r. What about this one? Under root of r square plus x square only, no?
Yes, sir.
Then again same story. Divide this ring into so many charges like this one. Here dq, so many. Again q1 by r, q2 by r, q3 by r, q4, q5, q6. All people again sum of all same potentials only, no?
Yes, sir.
Then again you will get k into q1 by, let us say that is smaller. This is assume smaller. Plus k into q2 by smaller. Then k by smaller common. q1 plus q2 plus all will become how much?
Capital.
Q. But why? What is the distance here? It is not x. It is under root of how much?
R square plus X square.
That's it. If it is non-uniform distribution also, again same answer. No change. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana?
Yes.
This part is everybody done?
Yes, sir.
Copy both. So whether it is uniformly charged ring or non-uniformly charged ring, any change, any difference or no difference?
No
No
difference.
Same formula you will get it. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Done, Nana? Hello.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now this is very, very important. They will ask for this one. Very, very important now. Observe carefully. Now, n identical charge drops, so what you call are combined to form a bigger drop. Then what happens to volume? Will increase now.
Yes, sir.
All the charges are adding up. Then all the charges are adding up. Total charge also will increase now.
Yes, sir.
So how many are there? N identical charge drop. Each of charge how much?
Q.
Q. Then what happens to total charge, Ra?
N into Q.
As volume is conserved, what happens to volume? We equate the volume, sum of all volumes is then this is the relation. No? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then how we got bigger one is n power 2 by 3 times smaller one, surface charges and all, energy and all, we'll derive it. Okay. Hello. Right. Let us see. What is the potential due to small sphere? Ra? Smaller drop. KQ by small r only.
Yes, sir.
Potential due to bigger drop. Ra? K capital Q by capital R only.
Yes.
Then potential of bigger by potential of smaller will be KK will cancel. What is the answer? Q by capital R into small r by small q. Got it? NQ by small q into small r by this can be written as n power 1 by 3 times small r.
Yes,
Just
sir.
replace
Yes,
and what do you call capital Q and what do you call this capital Q and R. I am replacing in terms of small q. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then who will cancel? Ra? Q will cancel,
Q.
R will cancel. Then n power 2 by 3 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Copy now. So what is total charge? Q is n times Q. What is the radius of bigger drop? N power 1 by 3 times small radius, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is the potential of bigger one? N power 2 by 3 times?
Smaller one.
Smaller.
Smaller.
Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copied, Nana? Hello.
Just a minute, sir.
Copied everybody? Understood?
Yes, sir.
It is like adding water droplets, na, to form a bigger drop. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Done everybody?
Done, sir.
Done, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we have to talk about energy also. Okay. Hello. Potential energy, you can be written as potential into charge. We had done na, W is V into Q, that is stored
Yes,
as
sir.
energy. Then this one, potential into smaller drop is potential into charge. That is KQ by small r into Q only. Na? Then KQ square by how much? Ra?
Smaller.
This is U total. Then electrostatic potential. Then potential energy of bigger drop, how much? Ra? Potential of
K
the
capital.
sphere into charge. K capital Q by R into Q only, na? Therefore, potential energy of bigger drop is KQ square by R. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana? Hello. I'll do one thing. We'll do it separately. Hello. This up to this much done.
Done, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right. Now, let us see. We have done potential due to dipole axial. This one. Right. These problems you have done.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Everybody done these problems? And I will teach this one. 18th one I will teach. Don't worry. Hello.
Okay, sir.
This one also you can do it. 18th one I will teach, Nana. Don't worry about that. '27 I will teach. Hello. 33 I will teach, Nana. 37. These are same. 33 and 37 both are same. This also I will teach. Remaining you can try, Nana. Hello.
Okay.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this you can do it, no? 35 minus dv by dx I cap minus dv by d. Then you will get e into q is the. Can you do it or I have to do? Hello.
Will do, sir.
Will do it.
Right. Then you do one thing, Nana. Except this, you try the remaining things. Tomorrow complete we'll discuss. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right now. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.